Are you thinking about hiring a wedding day coordinator? By the end of this video, you will know exactly what a wedding day coordinator is responsible for, helping you to make an informed decision about the level of support that you will need. For the best uncensored wedding planning advice, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell so that you'll be notified every other Tuesday when we upload a new video. As wedding day coordination specialists, we have educated dozens of couples on the role of a wedding day coordinator, and now it's your turn. And the first thing that your wedding day coordinator is responsible for when you book them is reading and reviewing all of your contracts and agreements. The reason why this is important is that your wedding day coordinator has a very short period of time, generally a month, to fully immerse themselves in your wedding. They have to understand everything that has been agreed, contracted and promised to you so that on your wedding day, they can ensure that that is executed efficiently and to the letter. Number 2, your wedding day coordinator is responsible for communicating with and coordinating your supplier team. Communication with your suppliers should start long before your wedding day in order to establish a relationship and iron out any creases that may have occurred during the wedding planning process. That communication is essential in ensuring that on the actual wedding day, there is a great relationship already established so everybody can work together cohesively. If for whatever reason your wedding day coordinator is suggesting that they will not contact, speak with or meet any of your suppliers until the day of your wedding, please ensure that you run a mile. This is going to mean that there will be chaos on your wedding day, and the reason being is that there is no way that a wedding day coordinator should be promising to coordinate your wedding day without contacting the suppliers which make up all of the pieces of your day. Number 3, your wedding day coordinator is responsible for finalizing your timeline. Now this is really key because your timeline is like the foundation of your entire wedding, and it's where we put all of the details to ensure that every little thing that we need to know is included, and we can communicate that with your suppliers and vendors. We definitely advise that you create and construct your timeline whilst you're planning your wedding, but don't stress over the details because your wedding day coordinator will come in and ensure that they go through it with a fine-tooth comb so it works cohesively for you, your bridal party and all of your suppliers. Comment below and let us know what you expect from a wedding day coordinator on your wedding day. Number 4, your wedding day coordinator will be responsible for finalizing your floor plans. We love floor plans. We use them for your tablescapes. Yep, those are our version of floor plans to understand exactly how your tables will be laid out, as well as for the entire room, from your ceremony to your wedding breakfast to your evening reception, your dance floor, your poser tables. Everything that's going to be laid out within the space that you have booked for your wedding will be included on the floor plan, and they are an excellent tool to allow us to communicate further what we have already communicated verbally with your supplier team so that they can fully understand before they even arrive at your wedding day how things should run. Your wedding day coordinator will be responsible for small decor items, and these are things like wedding stationery, seating plans, place names, menus if you've had them made specifically for your wedding day. Your wedding day coordinator will be responsible for those items and will happily ensure that they are laid out on the tables as you have planned. I've saved the best till last. Finally, logistical planning and management. Now, you are in charge of planning your actual wedding day, but the logistical planning of your day is the responsibility of your wedding day coordinator. Think of your wedding as a number of different pieces, like those of a jigsaw puzzle. Your wedding day coordinator is responsible for putting together the pieces of your puzzle that you have been collecting for the period of 6 months to a year. By now you should have a really good general understanding of what a wedding day coordinator will do for you. But if you're all about the finer details, also download our free 30-day step-by-step breakdown, which includes everything that we do for our wedding day coordination couples. If you want to join a community of wedding planning couples just like you, make sure that you head over to our Instagram page where we have a huge community of wedding planning couples sharing their experiences and getting free support throughout their wedding planning journey. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and also hit the notifications bell so you will be notified every other Tuesday when we upload a new video.